dark, and I'm right on the middle mark. I'm just in the tier of everything that rides below the surface. And I watch from a distant 17, sure of the others' dreams of being golden and on top. It's not what you painted in my head. There's so much there instead of all the colors that I saw. Are we